What's up, guys? Good morning. What am I doing? I'm doing this. How's everybody doing today? Da 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 da. Okay. I feel like I need to do a plethora of things quickly. Okay. How's everyone going? It is Tuesday. Let's hope that today we get some trades in. I'm being optimistic. Being optimistic. I think today's gonna be a good day. Here we go. Good morning. What's up, everyone? Da, 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 da. Okay, now we go.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Done, done, and done. Wee and wee. I think that's everything. I'm making sure I've gone through like my checklist. We're good. Now, the fun begins. So first things first. This is now invalid. Did I miss anything good yesterday is essentially the question. I left around here and then it started me, of course. Because my effect thing is actually rubbish, but whatever. Whatever! I think I did. I think I clocked off at like 10 past 11. And then 5 minutes later, it started to drop down properly. Now, that being said, it then did mess around a little bit, dropped slightly more, messed around again. Okay. So, no, not really. I missed a little bit, but I wouldn't quite say I missed... How do I put this? I didn't miss any price action that works well for me. There we go. I think that's it. That's the correct way of phrasing that. I didn't miss anything that would have worked beautifully for me. So here's the new daily opening gap. Let's draw this across quick sticks. Let's zoom out slightly so we make life easier. Okay, here's the new daily. Okay, new daily opening gap. I'm gonna just keep an eye on the new weekly. It's always important just to know where it's at, because we're back in that range. I see we just broke below it and that's about it. So we are literally a little bit stuck here currently, which is very irritating, but we continue. That's all we can do. Okay. Next. What have we got? Midnight. Where's my midnight magnet? Sorry, I go through everything and then I do a quick top to bottom analysis and then we just go from there. What the heck? Is there missing information? Yeah, there is. Okay. Okay. A midnight magnet. Okie dokie. Midnight magnet for the day. Now let's do a quick top to bottom. Asia high there, Asia low. Right over there. Nice. Asia low, mark out. Done. Asia high has already been taken. Cool, cool, cool. Let's mark out yesterday's previous day high as well, which is obviously also yesterday's New York high. Already marked out London high up above. So again, we now at least have some buy side liquidity. So that's cool. Got our New York high, our London high. Asia low, Asia high has already been taken. Yesterday's New York low, I also have to quickly mark out. What's up, Atlanta? How are we doing? And Shaggy, hi! So I'm just sitting here talking to myself. How you guys doing? All hail the great overlord Maya.
Nice.
Oh, how are you guys doing? Ba-ba-ba-bam-bam. Okay. Like I said, I was just going through everything, already marked out the midnight open, already marked out the new daily opening gap. Where are you going, Perry? Oh, there's monkeys. Yep, you can hear them. Hey, Brad, what's up? How you doing? I'm good, I can't complain. Debbie! What's up, Debbie? How you doing? How's it going? Okay, now that that's done, let's do our top to bottom analysis. Yeah? Yeah. Let's go. Okay. So I still have this little bit of an order block, fair value gap on the daily. There's still all of this, but all-time highs. So trend is friend. What's up, Joy? How are you? You missed New York yesterday. Ah, Debbie, it was a fun one. Not trading wise, but it was just a fun stream. Glad that you were busy though, I think. Okay. 4 hour? Yeah, I did have a push, but the buyers are still pushing back, even on the 4 hour. Okay. 1 hour. Same situation. Look at these huge wicks. That was not taken. Okay. 15-minute. Trend is friend until it's not. Look at this range. This is yucky. That is real flipping yucky. The range is what's driving me crazy. Right after you left yesterday, the market went crazy. I saw. I was offended by that, but in the same breath, hear me out. I was offended, then I realized what happened yesterday, I wouldn't have been able to trade anyways. So I was a little less offended. I was like, man, it's fine. Trade first day of the training. You're the one responsible for shorting the whole market. Friday's trade, as soon as you log off, everything goes ballistic. I wish I had that kind of power, Atlanta. Hey, Mr. Pix, how you doing? How's it going? I definitely don't have any of that power. But I appreciate that you think I do, Atlanta. That's very sweet of you. Ready for another great day? Hell yeah, Life Sound. Are you? Everyone?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Have to have our good mornings. Ba, 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 ba. Okay, and 1 minute. Nothing super interesting to take note of, just that we are in a bit of a range, which sucks for me, but we continue. We're gonna just keep on doing what we do. Got a little bit of a rejection off of there, a little bounce over there, midnight sorted. Hey, just in time for New York. Just in time for London Open. It is 3 a.m. on the dot. Let's do this. chased chicken around at 5 a.m. She was being... I'm pretty. That is hilarious. Sorry. That is so funny, Lifestyle. Next time I think you need to take a video of that because that is brilliant. Hey, chill dude, what's up? How you doing? And Dom's ready for a shorty short. Let's see what this brings us. 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that was a little bit underwhelming. There's the 3 a.m. open. Okay, so your goal is, well, I see what your goal is, Dom. See if I can get security footage and put it in the, it's the Lifestyle, please. 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 Watching people chase chickens is the best thing ever. You had to watch me chase the chicken, you'd understand. If a chicken had to chase you, that would be even funnier. Just because I personally know that I would scream like a baby. Okay. Let's see, it's starting to push up a little bit. Okay, tapped into the top of the new weekly opening gap. Gonna keep a little eye out here. What's up, David? Okay, still struggling to break above. Good morning! You still got the funded? I do, Mr. Pix. Damn, London was amazing. TP ban. What do you mean? OTT? London just opened! Did you just take a trade now? I'm so confused. You feel outside New York session? Oh yeah, Lance, it's hard. I'm not gonna lie. It's not been easy. David, low-key, my biggest fear right now. It's like a quick way for a chicken to be chronic injured chasing a human. Went to Costco today with greeted by an employee and said, both me with you, and he angry. But I must be a Jedi! Oh, I love that. Eddie, I absolutely love that. Let's see that may the fourth be with you. Jumping, technically it starts at 2 a.m. Really? Oh, okay, yeah, ICT, got it. Let's see, so you say my blue line is okay to short. I say, let's see what this does. Why are the markets being yucky? Oh, it's jolts today. Oh, I forgot about jolts. What time is it? 4 p.m. So what's that, 10? Yeah. 10 a.m. So New York. Okay. OTT check Discord only because you asked if jolts at 10 a.m. My fault for pulling him out of a tree. I mean, yeah, don't make it angry. It's asking for trouble. Wait, OTT, sorry. I didn't even clock. Wait a second. OTT. I nearly died on my T. OTT. Okay, sorry. Whoop whoop for hitting your TP. There's a lot of T's going on. Anyways, well done. That is awesome. What's up, Hammer? How you doing? But a banger. Well done. I do? Oh yeah, I've just added the past 5 days. Did someone say T? I did, Life Sound. I know that's like your... I don't know. I feel like you have to just say T 3 times and then Life Sound appears. No, trade zone. Oh my gosh. So, cause Jolts is later, do you think that this is going to be going... Let's do it. Wait. Up, down, or sideways during London today. Okay, let's see. Okay, done. Yesterday took a trade in PM session and ended break even. Okay, OTT, that's not bad. That's not something... Oh gosh. Never go until you save it for off-stream trading. Lance, I don't do any off-stream trading. Yeah. I literally don't do any off-stream trading. What you see is what you get. So, no, I've tilted like once, I guess. I don't quite know if that counts as tilting, but yeah. Ooh, okay. Well, I see some up is the winning. No. It's conflict. You hear me? I'm in with you. We just hit net minus for fin. Min PM transition on the greatest. Although sell side PM would be decent for longs. This Tuesday, good day to trade on market open. Hey, I see Daniel. What's up? Yeah, I guess Tuesdays are good. Well, to be fair, any day is good. It just... Guess it depends. If your name is OTT, just don't trade on Wednesdays. But otherwise, you just have to recognize what market works for you and what market doesn't, and you just go from there. I want to say it's just as sweet and simple as that. Maybe I'm wrong. But oh my gosh, this is going sideways. So you're not overly emotional, you're lucky. I'm hoping one day to desensitize some. Oh, I'm overly emotional, but I kind of force myself to stop. If I become overly emotional, I literally go and I go, nope, you sit down. Sit, stay, leave alone, don't touch your mouse. That's basically it. Looking for longs around 7245. Okay, so you're waiting for that little bit of a retracement back down. Hey, Obito, what's up? Face down. Yeah, I don't trade Wednesdays. It's a big red stripe through my calendar. Really, Life Sound? You too? That's interesting. Any day is good, but Fridays are tricky. I think every day is a good day to trade on market open. What's up, Mapono? How you doing? Augustine? Life Sound, that's what she said.
That's what she said.
I got you. Liquidity at 916. Ooh. Hi Tyson, what's up? How you doing? Okay, let's see. Let's see what we get. This is... Not gonna lie, this is not starting nicely. This is not great for me right now. Anyone get anything? I am Obito. I don't know strategies in I wanted everything out. Calling my... Who called me that? Oh. I think you mistyped that, to be fair. Let me just sort... I could just jump in with it properly. I could let the dog touch your mouth. Oh. What's my time zone? What is my... We GM'd? No? What is the South African time zone? I'm gonna have to look. Pointers! It is 9:11 in the morning. Yeah. Anyways, tomorrow Wednesday, right? Let's see, who knows? Maybe my Wednesday losing streak ends tomorrow. Okay, OTT, you have a problem. Well, we're doing basically well. If I get a trade in New York session, I might be done for the week. Oh, for the week? Really? What are you gonna do for the rest of the week then? Yeah, GMT +1, yeah. I thought it was scam. No ways. I'm here. Good, send you team. Thank you, Tyson. Let me go check it out. We want to. Wow, this is disgusting. This is not okay. Even checking on this one. And very much meh right now. Sorry, I did take a little demo trade earlier. This is actually the ES. I'm gonna try out the ES because I've been saying just how ES is so much cleaner. It just respects better. ES is a goodie. Don't know if it's gonna come back down here, but I've placed it. So we will just have to wait and see if it does. Let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. We've got this. We've definitely got this. Do you think it's gonna break out of this? Singing, I want to break free. I hope so. Binge movies and play games and touch grass occasionally. Don't lie. Do you even remember what grass feels like? OTT? You might get a -2.5 fib at 959. Interesting. And then you think it's gonna drop, Matt? It's gonna just wait for the nice drop now. But then using them kind of became obsolete. Not yet, but I'm downloading right now. Dom is short already, gonna break, I think. See this quickly. Huh. Shorts actually might be in play. Shorty shorts might just be the way to go here. You'll see when I fully. It's because she bullied my inability to touch grass. No. Anyway. How's everyone been doing? It's been a long time. Vito, it has. Where have you been? We shall see. I'm bearish today until New York Open. What's grass? You must be talking about the smoking. Wow, lads. Copy. So what I'm seeing is great to identify drop from Violin, but only to a certain extent. Oh, sorry, you're talking to Debbie. Live sound. If you it's not just to get out of first area. Okay. I'm long, but on 15. Okay. So this is low-key agonizing. Let me check. I see. Dom, where's your stop loss at? Where is Dom's stop loss at? This is now going. Okay, who voted sideways? Because wow. Oh no, okay, I see the ups. Still one. We have got the up winning by 77%. Sideways only 8%. Interesting. And here up still one. Oh, up and sideways are the samesies here. Let's see. This is very interesting. Okay. Well, what's up? How you doing? I see. Been very accurate. Understand. That sounds what I'm saying. You know, sunlight to get on this. Yeah, makes me want to pull my hair out. Yep. 3, 2, 1, break. It didn't work. We tried, Hammer. It didn't work. Right, stop loss. Toby, you're getting your car today. That's awesome. That's a lot of optimism for an up market today. A little bit. As it depends on what you trade, honestly. Yeah, maybe nip out the grass before you start. On missions that can take like 2 hours to play. Yeah, I wouldn't call it strong, but it's still alive, Puv. How about that? It's gonna break. Hold your breath and hold my breath until it breaks. Hammer, that's how I die. You guys want to see me passing out on stream? Sure. Sure, that would be the easiest way to do that. We still got new high and as liquidity. I wonder if it is gonna go all the way up there, because I mean, then just above is the New York high, then the London high, and then I think this is a previous day high from Friday or Thursday. I don't know. I wasn't here, obviously. Alive is pretty strong. That's true. Lone Wolf Blue, what's up? Hand out a fun class now. Next work Charles on 1517, working towards her next title. Title. Okay, so you have different titles. What title is she? I'll join the members if you pass out on stream. Hey, it's over. Oh my gosh. That doesn't sound like a great deal. I know. I'm like, what the heck? That's mean. Can I just say? Wanting to make me pass out. That's not a very nice thing to say. No, I'm kidding. I was gonna say, I'll do it. It's competing in then. So no, sorry. So what I meant by that is so with the title, like you get different like ranks, like platinum, gold, diamond, or something like that. You know, like what different titles are there? I guess like commander or sergeant. Or yeah, does that make sense? So I got a novice title now. Oh, okay, there we go. Working towards advanced. What's after advanced? It's a great deal. Three, two, one, break. Nope. You tried, Hammer. I respect you trying. This is
emotional damage.
This sucks. I was not here for 2 days. 2 days. Do you want to know what happened in those 2 days? We had volume. I'm back, and now the markets are literally giving me the middle finger. You break blue line, you go down. Need me more specific. MES just broke on 3 to 1. My bad. Okay. Fair. Fair. I must be more specific. NQ right now. MNQ. MNQ and ES are still in this range. They have not moved. Hey, old lamb, what's up? How are we doing? Chill dude says it's breaking soon, don't worry. I guess so, OTT, I was just in fear of hearing Maya snort. That's mean. Been detected. Ooh! So wait. Lone Wolf, is the goal for her to become detective? Am I about to sit through a whole London session and watch Chop? OTT, where's your optimism? Maybe it's gonna start moving in a direction that's not sideways. Literally sideways. How's this look on the 5-minute? Up. Wow. That's brutal. That's not okay. Who is actively in a trade apart from Dom? I know Dom's in a trade. Who is actively in a trade right now? I'm sick of these welding classes. Hammer? Facts. Absolute facts. Sunrise, still trade New York session. I do trade New York session. Why? Above high, then we'll be selling. I'm an NQ long. Okay, nice. So Dave's an NQ long. Dom's in a short. My fellow does this coding. Novice is 1 cent, advanced is 2 cents, excellent is 3 cents, and masters is all 4 cents. Oh damn, okay. I'm in long pre-London open. Well, I'm home. Market world's in a mountain driving market flat. I'm so glad it doesn't just happen to me, Hammer. I'm so glad. Debbie has even named it the Maya effect of when I am here, it welds, right? It chops, it goes sideways, whatever, you know, whatever, barcodes, whatever you want to call it. When I leave, it starts actually moving, which is ridiculous. I'm going to realize that it's entertaining because I get to watch Maya slowly. Like, oh, this.
Emotional damage.
Wow. As well. Last 2 days I was $50 away from max daily drawdown. Managed to get back to 300 profit in the New York session. Hey, Matt, that deserves a whoop whoop. Great for my social studies. You know what? Matt, you get a whoop whoop. Oh dear. Order filled on the little demo account. Let's see what we get. So this is ES, just by the way. I'm just gonna have to figure out. So that went to 50%, so do I potentially mitigate? Good rejection. Bounce, whatever you want to call it. Okay. It gets to 75%. A little bit above here. There we go. Break even. Oof, this might be a break-even trade. Last hope would be a rejection off of the wick. Reject! Wow. Just wow. Okay. Hands off now, you know. Either way, it's not a losing. There we go. Okay. Ta-da! Whoop whoop. That was cool. This is ES. Solidly ES. This is not even MES. This is an ES trade over here that I took. I actually set this a lot earlier. So that's cool. That worked out nicely. I'm curious about this one. I don't think I'm going to take this one, especially because it's in a bit of chop. Let's see if this would have worked out. There would have been where it had to. So there, order would have been filled. Let's see how it reacts here. Oop, nice little 5-second trade. So this one actually now is the 15-second. That's sweet. Since when have you been cheating with the WS account? Oh damn, Hammer, you've missed a lot. Oh mother fluffer. Sorry, so this one actually would have also been a win. Would have set a sell limit here. That would have been a win. It was, yeah, it's around. Let me quickly check here. Close, maybe a little bit further. I hate this ruler. Definitely would have been a win. Awesome. That would have been a banger. Slowly but surely. Maybe I'm gonna be a little bit cheeky here. This is not, yeah, it's an okay one. It's an okay one. Let's see what this one does. Order filled. I mean, if it goes up past there, it might be continuing all the way back up. Okay, a little bit of an inverse, but this is again the 15-second. Obviously, it's a little bit different. I can really tell it's still chopping on the 1 minute. I don't have to go and look at that. Ma, you have a lot of exposing to do. What do you mean? What? Huh? What did I do? This is why I trade London before Maya gets on. I'm just here focused on my 15-second shot and you guys are bullying me in the background.
Emotional damage.
Good grief. Oh, bye OTT. See you later, alligator. Lots of explaining. What explaining do I have to do right now? Very nice. Ooh, yeah, this one's another. Ooh. Poked my glasses there. Bit of a weird spot. Bit of a weird spot. Let's see, there's some sell side liquidity down here. Would be quite nice. Did we tap into the 50? We kind of did. Okay, not quite halfway yet. Not quite. Let's see what we get. I'm really up in arms over this one. Over which one? I'm so loved. Look at all the goodbyes. Am I in this? I am, Louis. What's up? Atlanta, you're so mean. You are so mean. Poor OTT, you did nothing. Ooh, look at that spread. Good grief. That's not good. It's time to go back to bed. Rain and cold here. It was raining here this morning and I thought it was that huge storm that everyone's been going on and on and on about, and I was like, oh damn, it's here. And now it's sunny, so much for that. It was raining this morning though, so I guess. Oh my gosh, it's going sideways on the freaking 15-second. Yeah, this one might not be good. I say as it starts dropping. Oh well, it's hands off. Regardless. It is hands off. How's this looking? Okay, that's still looking terrible. So, back to the 15-second, at least there's a little bit more going on. Not like much, but there's more. A little bit more happening. Harry? Very cold here. Heavy rain last night and cold. Can't wait for you to join me in the suffering. Hammer, it's soon. Which is wild, but it is soon. How crazy. Oh, this is not looking good. Everything was all fuzzy and warm and Atlanta comes. And the swift kick to ribs. And just subscribe. How's the funded account growing so far? Hey! Hey Samuel, I'm gonna call you Samuel. It's growing slowly. It's growing slowly. This is just a demo account. My funded is still, don't worry, it's right there. So this is the funded. As you can see right now on NQ on the 1 minute, it's going. It looks like that, so you can only imagine what the 5 minute and up looks like. Looks disgusting. So I'm having fun on the 15-second ES chart. Because I can. How's my car doing? My little NASCAR? It's okay. It's fine. It always gives me hassles. I love it to bits, but yeah. I see you've not packed up your bookshelf in the back. What? Anyway. Hey Gok, what's up? How you doing? How's it all going, everybody? Often by what are the plant? Once a week? Look at the pretty lines. Anyways. Oh, so cheeky. Emma, where were you yesterday? Were you busy? No, wait. Yeah, were you busy? You water your plant twice a day? Isn't that a lot? Oh, whoops. I feel like twice a day is a lot. That being said, I have a... Oh, Someone said it's called a red thumb. I used to call it a dead thumb. I'm really bad with plants. Ah, ooh, sorry. So stop filled, that's fine. Still in the green. The spread got me on that one. Why do I feel like that was not correct? No, it was the spread that got me. Wow, the spread on this is brutal. Whoa, okay. Noted. Sure, that was basically a $25 spread. Damn, yes, is me. Anyways, let's go back now. Let's see, has it broken up? No, it has not done anything. Oh, it's doing things. Okay. It is now, it's moving. It's now moving. Whee! It's happening! Something's happening. Heck yeah! Ooh, this would be nice. Nice to ninja. Where I can just do that. Oh. There was buy-side liquidity at 916. Okay, I'm still gonna take this, but maybe it's a bit risky. It's a little bit risky, but risk it for the biscuit. Okay, in. See, like I said, this one potentially a little bit on the risque side of life, but let's do this. I could be cheeky and move this to New York High, but maybe that's a little cheeky. Amount small stop loss, but I have a new order to short. Oh, crying out loud. No, don't be greedy. If it hits 5-minute break holds, we're heading to New York High. Okay, break even. Should I move this to New York High? What do you guys think? Nah, it's too late. Well, not really, but now it's too late. Good market in, but there we go. There was a little win for today. That was awesome. I'm trying to not be greedy, but that was a goodie. There's a little winner chicken dinner. See how it reacts at the TP now. But that was a nice little, what am I doing? Nice little tag in. Bam. I must say, trading with the 5-second chart has definitely made me quicker. Does that make sense? Like quicker with decisions, quicker with that looks good, go. So, I know a lot of you guys absolutely hate it, but I find that it's actually really improved like my speed and decision making skills. Was that a live trade? Yeah. Sorry guys, this was real. This is my funded account. Here we go. This was the live trade. So now we're back to 418.70. Caught the last millisecond before TP. Heck yeah, Solly, what's up? So balance can be updated. Cool. Balance done, but yeah, that was a little winner chicken dinner. Like I said, if anything, it's definitely made me faster trading with that 5-second chart. Quicker decision, quicker reaction. Hey Ahmed, what's up? You were so trigger shy for a while there. I know. Dolly, what's up? And boom, hi. Isn't there such a delicate balance between trigger happy and trigger shy? There is. There really, really is. I saw a clip of a hedge fund and they retired the fund trading 5-second candle, so don't ever think the small time frames are. You just have to be fast. And that's literally it. You have to have a strategy that works and you have to be quick with it. I'm in second trade short. Damn, okay, Dom. I mean, it was A+. I couldn't not take it. Good rejection off of, or out of the bob level. I had a fair value gap. Also, I know it's technically the same, but volume imbalance and all these shelves. Get it to reject off of. Here we go. That was good. Louis still in buys. Still holding long. Nice, Attic. Nice, nice, nice. Here we go. So if I had missed that trade, by the way, oh my gosh. Oh, that would have hurt my feelings. If I had missed this trade and followed this up. Would have to retest back into that. Wow. Wow. Okay. Sometimes being quick is good. Features this for the 5 minute. Oh, thank you guys. Right. I always do whoop whoops for everyone, so let's do a whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Arthur, you say a nice setup is coming. What you looking for, longs or shorts? Okay, a little bit of a struggle bus over here. Ah! Shoot. I think. Let's see. Potentially I'll shoot. Maya, when your channel blows up with the help of these wonderful people, make sure you make eye version of yourself just I think that would be cool. I'm sure in so long look for a tracement might have another head and shoulders, but look for the short after. Sure, here we go. Let's see what happens now. Damn. There really was some sell side liquidity there at the 916 level. Let me just paper trade that match of barely executed. Oh, hey Robin, what's up? I mean, you just missed a trade, but sure. That's what we agreed on. Now it's my turn. Go on, Abito. Let's see. Combustible Maya. Resistance in short. Back in the 800s. Yep. Louis, are you out of that trade or not? It's just been a back and forth thing. Robin, not so much. It's more I've just been doing small amounts, one contract at a time until I get back to a point where I can start trading $100 at a time. So like this was one contract, so if I'm not mistaken, I only went up $40. So looking at the hundreds, I've actually increased quite a bit. You're welcome, Robin. Yeah. Manolo, what's up? Like I said, when I'm back up to 49, then I'll start, no. Yes, then I'll start using 100 again. Then start increasing or lose 100 at a time. And then back up to 50, I'll start doing the usual risk of $200. Nice short time for consolidation. Hold until brain breaks to your blue line. She's 17 making AI clones. This is prohibited. Wow. Hey, I see how you're doing. I'm expecting to drop 50% before going up again. Okay, trade addict. Let's see. So I'm glad I wasn't greedy. Glad I wasn't greedy. If I'd moved my TP to New York High, I would have been out at break even. That would have sucked. Oh, you guys are such chops. You guys are absolute chops. Kevin. Atlanta, it's true. No, it's not. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay. Like I said, I'm just gonna sit here and wait and watch. Maya, you have to respect the persistence. A little bit. I feel like on the New York Stock Exchange floor with all these shorts long. Wow. Yep. I want bacon for some reason. That was the most random thing you have said. And you say some random things. I hope you know that. That was the most random thing. You won't be bored in... Come to Greece, you won't be bored in England. But what? What did I just read? Watch the dance, but remember this is not an inverted head and shoulders. Cool. Okay. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I see. I missed. Not that much. Didn't miss that much. Oh, the dip off of my decided to stop it from dropping. Da da da. I don't see the egg thing. The egg thing. What egg thing? What? Huh? What? Sorry. What about? Okay, I see we're having all discussions. I'm not part of this chat right now. That's fine. As long as y'all are having fun. Yes, I said y'all. Don't judge me. Okay, so now a little bit of a rejection off of that 50%. You mentioned this, so let's draw this across. How's the time looking? Oh, okay, time's going by ironically quick today. What? Yesterday I felt like time was moving a little bit slowly. I don't know if it was just me. Maybe it's because it was a Monday. Could have also just been because it was a Monday. Today it's actually moving not bad. Not bad. Okay, got this nice breakout trade over there. A little bit of a reversal back down. Let's see if we get something else. Quick sticks or not. You talk about bacon sandwiches. Okay. Focus on the neckline. There's music playing as far as I can hear. Enter. Yep, every time you talk, you're part of the chat. I mean, when you're right, you're right. Anyways, all English, all hash brown and fried eggs. It's going 20 down. I looked up 11, but it's not for most people. What is it? What's black pudding exactly? I know it's like, well, I've heard, Black pudding is a type of blood sausage. It is made from pork or occasionally beef blood. What? Is that right? What? It's weird as heck. Anyways, I'm out of bacon. Morning run. Quickly before you've tried it. Nope, too late. Definitely not. Ooh. Ooh, I'm not having that. Anyways, oh, that's enough. Yeah, I gotta get the recipe for... Oh, butterballs. Well, it's no black pudding, I'll tell you that much. Bacon it is. Yes, it's such an English thing, but I'm bored. We don't do that. Otherwise, it'll just be regular sausage. That's okay. Just do regular sausage. Do what you gotta do. Are you excited to try a braai, Louis? Kinda. It looks like it. I'm excited for you. Okay. So. Okay. Yeah, nothing that I'm going yay about right now. You know, not my version of it. Right till the breakdown. It looks like buyers are about to come in, but don't look for much of a bounce. Let's see. Took out a little bit of that over there. Awesome. This is, yeah. This is just, yeah. broke down. I think if we break 874, we could get a little bit of a retake. Everything I say now is just a little bit of an assumption here. Don't try it with full English breakfast. It's bang. Okay, wait. Who's gonna pick the page number today, by the way? Oh, wait, 3 minutes until 4. Who wants to pick the page number today? Who has not had a chance to pick the page number? I trade for my tribe. I love it. Bounce for retracement. Boom says 56. Oh, okay, we've gotten 77 twice by 2 different people. I think 77 it is. 77. Sorry, the fact that 2 different people at the same time did 77 makes me go 77 as the winner. I mean, yeah. Okay. Well, let's see. Boom said 56. They're very similar butterflies. They are very similar butterflies. Don't go by numbers. Go by the candlestick charts. Ooh. Damn, I never get a look yet. Oh, flip. I feel like I need to pick an extra special one today. Once you guys will pick the browns. This one. And you know, I've taken a photo of this one. So you guys need to see how cool this dude is. I've seen him in real life. Okay, can I just say? Seen this dude in real life. He is very, very cool. $56, Maya. 3 of us have spoken. Okay, let me show you my one and then we'll do 56. Deal? How about that? I know that that's kind of going off of our butterfly of the day, but deal? Do you like fish? Do I like fish? What a weird question. So. This, I've seen this dude in real life. He was the Emperor, well, the Pearl Emperor. Like I said, a cool picture of him. He looks like a leaf on the outside, very unassuming. And then on the inside, bam! Don't tell me that's not cool. Okay. But it's fine. You guys want 56, so 56. Let's do Spring Widow. Okay, that's it. But you're like, what? It's this one here. There we go. This is him. This is the Spring Widow. Is it? Yeah, that's the right one. It's a much cooler photo than it has in the book. The book's one is very boring. So, Spring Widow. Wingspan of 42 to 57 millimeters. Very, very cool. Let me just read here. They are geographically distinct. That's about it. So distribution is Feinbos, Namakuru, Succulent Karoo, nominate from Northern Cape, south to southwest Western Cape, Riversdale, and in Little Karoo. Western Cape as well. Sorry, that was so random. Anyways, so habitat is slopes or summits of mountains and hillsides. Flight period is single brooded, September to December. That's about it. And then his Latin name is Taurusocera Casas. I don't know, I butchered that. But that's it. Spring Widow. Ta-da! Anyways. I was just reading some of those comments going, what? Discord. Does it freeze fire? Blah, 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 blah. Oh my goodness. I'll lose this straight after jump the wooden tower again. Arthur, do I know about the monarch butterfly? I definitely do. They are everywhere. Sorry, I'm reading back on the chat. My violins or mariachi man asking? Have a watch. I'm giving the essay. Forgot to share the flowers with the pink hearts, man. Good grief. Back to about the emperor. The caterpillars look like little green dragons with 4 horns, and the adults are very aggressive. They even attack birds. What? Oh, they eat what? Hey Anders, what's up? You need to understand women better. Plants and flowers, but if you... Wow. Okay. What's happening? What is happening today? Robbie, aw, I'm gonna ask you very nicely to stop spamming whilst you are about to be put on timeout. Actually, I'm gonna do it for funsies. There we go. 5 minutes. Stop. Dude wants to fly out. Sitting flowers on some freaking dog trees. And girl, there we go. Well, there we go. I'm just gonna sit down and shush. Okay, let's see. Mr. Robbie! You guys are freaking funny. Hey, Alucard, what's up? How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Okay, so I set up a little cell over here, see if we get a little bit of a bounce off of that level. It literally only has to be 2 points on ES, but I know that can sometimes be a little bit too much. The spread is a little bit hectic right now, not even gonna deny that, but let's see what we get. National being an international shorting. Let's see, this could potentially be an instant loss, but this is why we're doing demo, right? Just saying. This is why we're doing demo. Else that could be bad. Okay. We'll pop back on when I hear it go trade into... What does it even say? I can't even remember what it says. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's see here. This is now going up anyway. Who's still in the long, by the way? Okay, so I was just checking out Dom's trade on Discord. I mean, we're moving, right? Kind of. This is moving to a degree. Not a lot, but I'm good just in a state of recovery. You fluish. That's not good though. It is that time of year. Seasons change and I had to make sure I took like vitamin C and stuff else. I was like, oh no. Oh no. Hello, sweet angel. How are you? Be a sideways, slow down, nothing day. Atlanta, don't be a negative Nelly. Man, I have today is the big sell day for New York Open. Louis, let's see. Accepting all the immediate pre-market volume. Many strong bullish fair value gaps. Yeah. Losing momentum though, perhaps for retest retracement. Yeah, Perry's just here going, what's up, people? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Hey, order filled. Okay. That's what she says. She says order filled. Let's see if this would have been a win or not. Wanted the rejection of that level. Like that. Okay, reached the 50%, so I'm going to mitigate by half. %75%. Woo! Break even. Okay. Oh, it might be a break even. Maybe I was a bit fast to move to break even. Let's see. Did want a little bit more of a rejection. Okay, it looks like it's going to be a break even. Well, it was a decent rejection off of that level, so that's fine. Still in it. Okay, so break even. Nothing gained, nothing lost with that one. So it's still at 75. Let's see if it goes back down. Where was the TP around here, huh? That was a little bit closer. This looks like it's going to start going back up though. Right idea with the rejection. It just didn't reject far enough down. Damn. Damn. A little buy limit there. I'm being a little bit quick and maybe rushing that one a little bit. Let's go back to trading view, see what we get. Tapped into there. Oh, 4 AM came and went and not that much happened. Wow, 4 a.m. was basically at the damn 3 a.m. open. Check at that. I think it's some of the closest it's ever been. Bit close above, so definitely gonna want to come and take out this high, at least. And then let's see about New York high being taken. Anything here? No, nothing that I like. How's it look on the 5-minute? Problem is, you'd want to see it create a higher high. Which kind of looks like that's where it's going. Yep. Now I think this thing is headed for New York high. So I have to come and do a little bit of a retest first. Nice. Okay. Can come back. There was a bit of resistance over there. That's fine. Here we go. A little bit of a higher form there. Oh, SMT formed. Okay. A little SMT right there. About making trouble keeping on all those contracts. What I look at Daytrading, I'm guessing I see all the opening stocks volume. Just respect to the ones that's gonna make another bullish candle. Louis, I think that can hit TP. Tell us your current series you're watching. ReZero. It's an anime. New trading strategy created. Wait for mine to log off and identify massive indicators after she's released her shorting. Wow. 15-second candles or 1-minute wicks. Gotta mind them time clusters. The 3 a.m. opening Central Standard Time works great down here. Look for momentum and keep your lines in a parallel form. 960, let's get it. Sounds like MDMA. If it holds, which point? Short for a bit before it consolidates and breaks above. Don't take so long to trade. Arthur, what do you mean? Took a trade here already. I'm like good to go. Well, good to go. I'm a happy chappy. Had a little winner over here. That was cool. Daily high is the target for now. And then I think short is in play. 30? Hammer? What? What are you asking about 30? Check 5 minutes again. That'll have to go very far back down. No. Not a goodie, unfortunately. Not a goodie. Here's your shirt. What? Oh, you're saying the short. What about the short? You said your series was called ReZero. ReZero. I forget. Oh my gosh. That looked good. Stop. Let's watch here. Oh, this might come and smash through my stop loss. See if it even reaches there. Okay, took out the high. Yeah, I don't like this setup. Sorry. I don't like that setup at all. It could work, it could actually work out beautifully. The little retracement back down. Sorry, now just deleted it and now I'm putting it back up. Little retrace back down, get a bunch of people out and then go back up to New York High. It's very possible. I just wanted to tap 960 and I'm good. Voice texting or trading and driving. Good grief, Arthur. Maybe you should like pull over or something. Train myself to become extremely good at buying dips. It really does make me wonder if I'm missing out by not playing shorts while doing my dip buys. Does that make sense? It kind of does. I mean, if you're good at one thing, don't go and confuse yourself, I guess. I'll do your gonna hold, get ready for to run. I use it 95% of the time on this thing. That's the point of voice texting. You can keep your eyes on the road, I guess, but how are you then like trading as well? That makes sense. So it's not only easy voice texting, he's trading as well, which is impressive. No, I mean, yeah, okay. Mother fluffer, look at that. Oh, that actually went down right to the 50% of this teeny tiny range though. Full range, not so much. Quick glance at the screen and fast fingers. Never. My friend told me that you have to cover what you're shorting as well or something. I don't know, I know some people, like I always thought, you know, if I was taking this trade, for example, shorting to the 50% and then buying, but I know also if you are using a prop firm, then don't get too happy with you if you do that. Yeah. They're not too impressed with you if you try and pull that. Okay. Yes, it's holding there. Where's VWAP? Oh my goodness, VWAP's all the way down there. I was about to say I'm gonna drive from our stadium, but I'm gonna go drive around the neighborhood and try to do the same and see if it's difficult on a phone. Go on then. No, don't go on then. That's bad. Don't do that. Sorry. Being a bad influence. Don't do that. Okay, still going a little bit down. Yeah, no, everyone thinks that's what Africa is. My friend older brother used to pick us up from school and he would be driving with his knees while smoking. I mean, that's one way to do it. I have little legs, so it doesn't work. I can't drive with my knees. Yeah. Securing 400. Nice, Louis. There we go. Hey, Brutal Trader. How are we doing? How's it going? I'm pushing long now. If you don't, I'm paying for you for fun. Go on then. My entry would only be over here at 904. That's the thing. This would be my setup. Right there. I don't know if it's going to retrace that far back down. Volume slowed down a little bit again. Ugh, why? I drive with knees when my trains go bad fast. Hold on. Need 2 hands to flatten up. What? Sorry? Are you good? Just still trying to pay attention to what happens next. Let's see. Is this bull flagging? Again, I'm not good with flags, but is this bull flagging? Yeah, I'm doing that. Hold on to use the car. What happens? It looks like it's holding. Oh, you guys. This thing might actually break a little bit down now. Let's see. Okay. Sorry, just double checking. I may have finally found somewhere to live, which is exciting. Trading on horseback. I wish, can you imagine? I would so happily sit there with Finn, chill on my phone and trade. Any day. That would be awesome. Getting very close to breaking down, but I hope it holds because I'm still holding your long. Don't say my long. Don't say my long. Not my long. No. My long would be here. Like I said, entry at around 904 level. See, let me quickly check on the ES one. No, still doesn't come down to that level. Oh, ES is actually pushing up. Interesting. No, ES went up and away. Gonna show us the real background before you move. You saw the real one yesterday. When I was teaching myself, I made my computer screen background all of the market flags in order to train myself. I remember none of them. And I love that. I remember none of them. Oh man, that's brilliant. No man, what's up? How's today looking? I had a little winner earlier. That was cool. Yeah, that's about it. Apart from that little winner earlier, there hasn't really been much for me. Some people have had some good wins. I know Dom had a win and a loss. Lifestyle, no, the spaceships were the real background. I live in outer space. Anyways, I'm a car guy, so I get curious about these kinds of things. Whee! nice, not too bad. Yeah, no man. What about you? Have you gotten any trades in? Please don't drop the chin up on a course we made you be great. Don't be such a negative Nancy. Who hurt you? Who hurt you? Opening, looking break. New York. Okay. Did ES take the high? Not officially. Nearly. Oh no, it did. ES took out the high. So again, maybe we can see a bit of a pullback here, but I'm not too sure. Our life sound. Princess Maya was on point. Down now, Solly. I don't know, it hasn't taken out New York high. I think everyone's kind of... A lot of people's TPs are there. Which means potentially this could fake out one more time. Just because markets are so much fun like that. Love to trick people. I might need some wheels about 2 weeks back, but I got off from this. Anyways! Haha. Interesting. So I'm trying to team on this on a trade. Looks like it's holding on to break out. Looking at volume, yeah. I think so. I think this does want to break it a little bit above, but that's just what I suspect. I think this could want to shoot up. Maybe this is going to literally go spike into the New York high and then stop dropping down. What I suspect. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. Just going to try and tune into it more often, feel the waves for a bit, then possibly get back and pull it back. I'll start trading. Go on, Nomad, why not? I would have definitely gotten Princess Maya, but the point is when I heard May the 4th be with me, my internals all imploded. Never will expand your position on the next trade. There are 2 sell walls at 940 and 950. Oh damn, that went down. Okay, I nope. Called that one wrong. Steady. It's fine there. Nothing there. Okay. Yo. Sorry, going back to here. Just missed my little buy limit over here on ES. It's not the best one. This one's pushing it a little bit. Just saying. Let's see how it reacts when it tags in. I think because it's been rejecting off of this level so much. Not feeling super confident in this one, but let's take it regardless. I'm gonna keep it up, but like I said, I have a sneaky suspicion that this one's gonna be a loss. So it's adding at 950. Even these even the second charts, when it's choppy, I still kind of go, uh-oh, not for me. I've been for more than a decade by the dip, that is. Ah, it missed me by like less than a freaking point. Rude. I'm gonna keep it up, but after that rejection, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a loss, so I won't be surprised. Keeping it up, again, this is demo, it doesn't matter. It's good to see what does and doesn't work. See the pattern, so I'm gonna just leave it up there. See what we get. Let's go back to the main one and see how it's looking. Back, like I said, if I was gonna get a buy, I would have entered at 904. Let's just make sure this isn't some seek and destroy BS happening right now. Wasn't watching this, but see if this goes all the way back down now. Give it a nice little short to take quickly. If I'd broken my teeth, stuck in my head all day and I don't know why. Back out 15 minutes, looks good. Oh, but earlier, no, that was not the 15 minute, that was the 15 second. Arthur. Hey Maya, is your coupon code work on Apex? Not yet, EM. Not yet. I'm on it though. Public members great tools and buys and sells are. I had to get the shaky hand while trading. Not anymore, Atlanta, not anymore. I used to. I used to get so terrified. Well, I don't know, is terrified the right word? I used to get very emotional while trading. Now, I'm just like, meh, whatever. Okay, what about the 15 minute? It's up there. A little bit of a rejection of the 50% of this wick over here. Yeah, that's around 50%. You can see it did. It rejected off of it. Just going up. So does look bob to bob. Let's see. Not quite touching the top of the looks like retracement. It's about oh, she was before entertaining that nonsense. Emotional how the like did you turn into? Louis, no, like my heart rate would rise and I'd be like, oh my gosh, no. Like I used to like shout at my screen a little bit. Gotta head out, hopefully join you. Fine. Oh, cheers, Debbie, mad love. It's to break down so I can make a brew. I subconsciously believe I forced myself to have like a 500 loss one day. Why? Oh, you still shout at your screen? Now, like I said, you guys kind of keep me in check with regards to doing that. I used to be like, and again, I used to swear like a sailor. So I would sit there swearing at everything. Not the most ladylike thing to do, but oh well. Okay, buyers look like they've come back a little bit. Oh my gosh. Okay, it would have been a loss. Would have maybe been a break even if I'd taken that short over there. Oh no, Louis, that's just now. You got a previous, like some of my first streams. Now I used to just go off. Do I have a what? What? A what accent? Yeah, it's brutal some days. I've had a -1-2 week for last. Made up for it last week, but I feel like it's knocked my confidence. I mean, life sound. I mean, you know, that was my problem after March. March knocked me down so badly. April's picked up the confidence a little bit, and now I feel like I can start to get back to quote-unquote normal, but your March did a number on me, hey? Learning to trust things again has been rough. The confidence part of trading is difficult. Nothing is really destroying my confidence because I can legitimately go back and say each time I've lost it is truly my fault. So it looks like it might break out above your white number 1 line. I think I see on my TV. I think so. So that looked like a double top. This is low-key starting to look like a triple top, and sometimes Mikuave's not here. Says just take note that sometimes triple tops don't actually work so well for dips. Normally a triple top means it might fail and start going back up again. So I've been trying to subconsciously take note of that. And let's see what it does. But we're just back and stuck in this range again. Triple top breakout, there we go. Hey Bernard, can you tell me the reason for the last trade? I should look for the sound. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was amazing. And as I read that, watch look for the sound 3, 2, 1, bloop. And I was like, what? Bloop. That's the noise that this makes. Flip. That was amazing. Stop that one up, still nothing. It's holding the range very much. Oh, sorry. The reason for this trade over here. So, broke above this bob level. So that was number 1. Then confluences. Whee! I had the fair value gap that technically hadn't closed properly yet, but still. The fair value gap, the volume imbalance, my shelves, and the bob level. So I had like, what's that, 4? Yeah, like I said, that was an awesome little 1 to 2 hour trade. Boom, done, dusted. And now we are stuck back in a range. Pew, 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 pew. It's like knock, 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 and then the door opens and you can go up. Ooh, Louis, I like that. Nice holding the range and bounce. 500, 1,200, it's all nothing in the grand scheme of things. Unless you don't have any, then that's a lot. Right? Oh, very hard, you're welcome. Oh my goodness, sorry. I'm sorry about that. Said even the freaking 15-second, oh my gosh, twice times it has nearly gone to tag me in, and twice times it has not. Clearly there's a support level over there. I feel like now if it breaks, it's just gonna go down. But, like I said, I'm gonna leave it. But I think if this does break, it's gonna go down. But it's good to get confirmation with it. Literally, even the 15-second is going sideways. Okay. That's disappointing. A little bit disappointing, if I do say so myself. Guys, why? Why is the price action like this? Why are we watching it doing nothing? Hardly nothing. Buy every dip before the third time. Africa is something. Can eat chicken every day with that. Then how you view shit more. So speaking on the positive and realistic mentality, I guess. Coming up to what? Microwave? Hi. Sorry. You're not trading gold, you're missing out on a big win. Take advantage of the complex and solve all. Been trading for a week, made over. Great. Patience, market moves and lulls and buys. Money is all relative. What does an amount to somebody is nothing to the next, and that's just the way it is. True. Billions of people on this earth, how much is what, and all the... This is getting real deep. Ah, my knee. Like real philosophical right now. Wild. Okay. See it retrace into they wouldn't be terrible. Still nothing. Now you know that if you step out for coffee, the market will move. You know what? Bet, let's test this. I'm gonna go make myself another cup of tea. How about that? Let's do this. I'm gonna go make myself another cup of tea. Let's see if it moves while I'm gone. Okay, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go make myself another cup of tea, because I can. We're testing the Maya theory right now. Okay. There was the New York high. Just dipped above. Anyways. I feel like now we're gonna get something. What, I just threatened to stand up and it was like, now's the opportunity. It's rude. Let's see if I put this back in, it's gonna start going sideways again. We're gonna get a dip. Just went and took out yesterday's New York high. Go do the tea, it'll move again. That's so mean. Literally, Louis, I literally just threatened to stand up and it was like, ah, she's leaving. You were too fast. You had to wait for me to move properly. You silly goose. Okay. They're waiting for me to move. Okay, fine. Fine. I'm gonna go make tea. If I come back and this chart has moved, you guys might see me raging. You'll see me raging. We're gonna test this. I'm gonna go make tea. It won't take too long, so let's see. Haha. It's not me. Ah, it's not me. Woohoo! Anyways, we should relax. We can trade. You guys are so mean. I just made 8k. Thanks, liar, liar, pants on fire. You did not. The thing is, literally going sideways. At this point, I want to almost be like, oh, you know, do you guys want to? I don't know. I don't even know. Wow. Just wow. You can feel the money flowing. You meanie. You meanie. I can't believe. Anyways, I think it's not you because you walked away from it for a second. Meanwhile, you're still on stream. So the tests don't count. I feel like that counts. I wasn't here. I wasn't watching. So what, you think it's literally only when I'm streaming, but I wasn't on stream. You guys were watching the pretty background. I see a triple top breakout going. No. Money in and draw some trend lines. Lines broken. What you thinking? What, like this type of situation? I don't know about this one. Wow. What kind of tea you got? Rooibos? I think? Yeah? Data feed can send you. No, it cannot. It is a pretty background. Anyways, Mikuwabe, did you manage to get a trade in at all? This, I'll order something to the stream. Profits up to 9.3 since Maya left. I feel like you're lying. The triangle pattern. No, I don't think it'll work for this one, to be fair. Not even so much a triangle at this point. It would be more like that. It's not really a triangle, is it? You see, I fogged up my glasses. Come on, I wonder if it's gonna give us one more opportunity to do this or not. I don't trade London book. Yes, that's being presented for you. Why would I bother? Get emotion. Looks like I look like a Tyrannosaurus Rex. How? No, Atlanta, I call BS. Your profits are not up that much since I left, because I'm back now, which means that they should be stopping. Just saying. Just saying. Flag pattern. Here we go, yeah. Whoa. I wasn't able to go for a run this morning because it was raining. I don't know if I'm going to be able to go in the middle of the day. Every time I add all the trend line makes me think people pay $26 to do a trend line, but like for arbitrage, money and profitable. I'm assuming they are, right? I just went red. I think the trend line might hold. Let's see. Hasn't broken below. I mean, OTT, you would assume so, right? Or else, why would so many people... The only criticism I have with Tori, like maybe it's bad for me to say this, I don't know. The only criticism I have is that I've never seen her obviously do live trades. That's it, but otherwise, she's profitable, she's doing really well for herself. What she's doing is clearly working. So, you know, who the heck am I to judge? I'm losing how much I have money? $2. No! Like, I've never seen someone say Tori made me profitable. Have you been looking though? Does that make sense? Hey Titan, what's my bias for the day? It was actually low-key a little bit bearish, but here we are. My bias was low-key a little bit bearish. Yeah. I've seen her do trade she would take as a A+, but never trade execution. On a live OTT? Let's D&D and trade, and you be the DM for a session. Ooh! I am really bad at that, so that's a terrible idea. I am absolutely shocking. I've never attempted to even be a DM because I'm so bad at explaining things. Like, it's fair day when you get a good in London. Probably it happens like 4 to 5 times a month. I'm expecting to sit every morning waiting for like some sort of hungry animal predator. Hey, breakfast. Get that purple Rari. Exactly. Exactly. Like I said, clearly she's doing something right in life. I mean, I haven't been looking, but she's got a massive following. You think you would just see one? Part of me go and check it out now. I kind of want to go and do like some deep diving, but another part of me is like, no, don't be weird. We've lost all the volume. This is just going sideways. This is brutal. Okay, well, we broke that. Did officially kind of close below now. So yeah, that's why it'll be super funny and entertaining. I don't like to follow the crowd. And Ninja, you know what? I can't complain. How are you doing? Had a little winner over there, so that's cool. Steam cleaning my glasses. There we go. Yeah, good, good. Asia actually trends better than London. Recently, yeah. You're not wrong. But you just have to catch the correct... I just want to call it a cycle, if you will. Sometimes it used to be that Asia was sideways. London, I guess, was the manipulation, but either way it was moving. And then New York was the distribution. But, you know, the different sessions change between which is the A, the M, and the D. I mean, if you're trading trend lines on the far chart, of course you need course in social media. How else are you gonna make money if not from trading? Do I take sugar? I do. One spoonful. Poop on them done. And why do I never drink milk? Let's do it. Let's do a deep dive. I don't know, like, milk is good. Like, I don't not drink milk. Like I said, there was actually a point in my life where I was a vegetarian. Not vegan. Like, I wasn't like hectic, but like if I would avoid drinking milk and. So I kind of stuck with it because I felt better not drinking so much milk and not having so much dairy. So yeah, I just do that. It also keeps my tea hotter for longer. Just saying. Oh. Water filled. I forgot about this. Like I said, I did not have high hopes for this one at all. Because of this. No high hopes. If it had been a little bit higher, if the entry had been a little bit higher, that actually would have been a few winner chicken dinners over there, but yeah. Let's see about this one, but again, not the highest of hopes going into this one right now. Especially with that drop that we just had. Oh market moves in cycles. That's why I changed strategies from the camera. Condition actually completely missed. Did I? You have tea without milk, yeah. We made 999. So you Hammer, don't say that. 3 a.m. is London. Oh my gosh. Hammer, that was okay. Have a little cup of heat on my desk. Let's let it keep it toasty. Aw, lifestyle, that's adorable. That'll probably get stopped out. Yeah, well, Louis, yeah, probably. I even said that when starting, but I said, you know what, let me test it. It's a... trying it that when it moves to midpoint, mitigate by half, 75%, go break even. Let's see. Not mad, you did well. Hold on, you got plenty of space to work with. Where did the candle just go that was there? What the heck? You saw that, right? There was a little candle there. And it just disappeared. What just happened? Uh-oh. Regardless, it's still hands off. You're not getting stopped out, it's backing up. Yeah. Back it up. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. Okay, landing kill zone's not on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, it's stop filled. So it did have a rejection, just not enough. Oh, and it rejected back into there. Shoot. Okay. See, this is why we do demo accounts first, though. I did think that this was gonna happen. It had so many rejections earlier. I'm not exactly surprised. Let's keep watching. See if we find something else along the way. Mother fluffer, if this thing goes all the way back up, then I'll learn, you know, don't mitigate by half. Not worth it. Just leave it, either it's a hit or a miss. Let's see. Oh no, even the flipping 15-second looks choppy. Yeah, that's not great. Nope. I've had so many rejections. Been vegan shit for a while. Biggest ripoff ever. What? What? Explain. What do you mean? Biggest ripoff. What does that? What does that mean? Yeah, that did nothing. That's also doing nothing. Wow. This really, really sucks. Okay, anyways. But I was wondering what she thought eating plastic hot dogs was more healthy. I thought it reminds me of how this dude Riley trained. Move stop loss to half when he's halfway to TP. Louis, yeah, that's basically I go, you know, when it's at that midpoint, mitigate risk, but yeah, maybe not. London offices don't open until 7:32. Finally. Let's do this thing. Oh no. Oh no. Oopsies. I did something. Maybe this was a mistake. Oh well. Though it's not a bad one. Ooh, it has this as protect. Okay. Let's see what this does. Could be a goodie. I mean, right now, even the freaking 15 seconds are taking a while, but still. Let's see if this is a winner. Would have preferred a little bit more of a rejection coming off of that. Oh no. Reject. Hey, the blue, what's up? You think this will TP? Let's see, hands off. Hands off. Uh-oh. Ah, warmth. Guys, I'm a little bit, like, not bad, but I am a little bit cold. Which is embarrassing because it is indeed, oh no. Anyways, like I said, a little bit embarrassing because I think, what is the current temperature outside? Should we check? Just while we're waiting for this to see where it wants to go. Let's see. Rubbish. Rubbish. Go down. Go down. Thank you. It says it's 23 degrees here and I'm complaining. Okay, yeah. So I got taken out on that one. Not surprised. Watch this thing start going back down. Okay, Mikuwave, what is it? What time is what I descend? Where's the 3? Whoa! Cool. Cool. Here it's only 11 degrees. Yeah, nope. Nope. I don't know how I'm gonna have to, I don't know how I'm gonna cope. Emma, what's the temperature there right now? Oh, shit, what's up? Last one from even if you lose, you're still pretty, so that. Oh, you're funny. I got a game for you. 23 degrees, nice day in London. Arthur, no, that was a sell trade, Arthur. So no, it was not a good trade. It's only 11 degrees. Game is Rocket League. I'm at 16. Oh, I'm gonna suffer. Oh, I'm gonna suffer. Oh, I'm gonna suffer when I go back. Okay. $960, I'm still waiting. US is holding back to Nasdaq, but that triple top breakout again. I have 22 now. It's long. Guys, this market's making me sad. It's 11:11 in South Africa. Make a wish. Can you guess what I wished for? I don't play it, but they keep time horrible for me. I might have to change servers or something. 7 degrees and I'm wearing shorts. Come on, Maya. Okay, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. I'm a baby when it comes to the cold, that's it. Are we finally getting some push with that last little bit of manipulation, and now we go higher? Shoot. That would have bottom picked me. Wait, I drew that like a chop. Nah, still would bottom tick me. Meh. Okay then. See if this goes all the way to TP. Mother fluffer. S&P 5 might allow Nasdaq to break that white line, number one. Well, that was a pity. Oh well, we move on. Slowly but surely. Can't believe this would have bottom ticked me. But it's okay. Oh, he still didn't say why I was gonna suffer. Oh! No, so... As you hear, up in Joburg, it is a whole lot colder than where I currently am, in KZN. Like, I'm complaining... Well, I'm not complaining bitterly, but I'm kind of complaining about 23 degrees right now. And I'm like, yeah, it's a little bit nippy, it's a little bit cold. I'm wearing a bit of a jersey. It is 16. Up in Joburg right now. I'm complaining at 23. It is 16 degrees in Joburg right now. And I'm basically gonna go back in the peak of winter. I'm gonna be suffering, but it'll be fine. You just carry on and move on and... people not still getting risk, even questioning if they have free speed. Mr. Tech, what? Violin? What do you mean? It would be okay if we had no rain. I guess it's similar to this. It's overcast, so it feels colder. Isn't there snow warnings? I feel like there's snow warnings. Oh, I'm sorry, that was me. I'm sorry, I was... This? Is that what you're hearing? Sorry, that was me messing around with the microphone holder thingy. My bad, sorry, Life Sound. Mubby. Oh, Life Sound, how's your back feeling today, by the way? Celsius, right? So 16 degrees, like 61 Fahrenheit. Alright, baby, but you need a good subject, are you? I was like one of those metal bulbs. Sorry, my bad. Oh no, which my two ... Hammer, why are you worried about it? Please do tell. What is troubling you about the plant back there? Whatever could be the matter. My back's not great. Went on a walk with the kids yesterday and I'm chasing a chicken around at 5 AM. That's valid. Like, will it survive the move? I think it will. I have a sneaky suspicion that it will. Palm tree. Palm tree? Palm. Oh, no. It's supposed to say palm. Everyone's keep holding and bouncing off the 900. I think it'll go higher. I want to say it will go higher because it keeps retesting, which means the buyers are there. It just depends on if the buyers are going to give up or not. Is that a plum mixed with that? Let me just check if this is with regards to layouts. Oh. Anyone cares? Here in America yesterday, Birmingham hit a tractor trailer truck while landing. What? Are you serious? Atlanta, do you have the footage? Why don't you share it on Discord? So I'm bored at PS. Just typing whatever comes to mind. That's valid. Oh my gosh. Wait, let's see. Do you think I can play the footage on here? I might get copyrighted. No. No. No, I haven't found any information on it. No. 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 Can you find a video? I'm super curious. Let's stop on that. I give a second. I mean, cookie from Central and produce it. No news. It might be if I'm playing someone else's video. Maybe. Oh, live sound, you say it's fake news? Get ready, it's consolidated and it's 420. Time to get higher.
Nice.
That took me a solid minute to understand what you just said there. Rocket League is car that I play football with. What did I just... I feel like I'm having a stroke having to read that sentence. Rocket League is car that I play football with cars. If I Trump goes, if you think you're saying it's going to help the market, then it's not a reason, you know. Hurt the market, then it's going to help. I hate that game with everything in me. Why? Oh, you just put the link. Thank you, Life Sound. Okay, I'll have to watch it later. Oh, thanks, and Louis. Appreciate you guys. Sorry, Itchy. Can I just say, so I felt very, very short when shame. So this very sweet little girl has a surprise birthday party today. We got invited, and it says she's turning 10, and I was like, what do you mean? She's nearly as tall as me. Can I just say that she is nearly as tall as me? Her head is up to here. She's 10. She's turning 10. Guys, I'm not that short. I'm really not that short. The fact that she is like this tall and is turning 10 blows my mind. Old. What's a t-shirt? Even 16 shorts in a t-shirt. Not my favorite game, but I do like it. It is just to remind me what suffering is. Sorry, itchy eyeball. Okay. Good. I see that we have all just reached our limit of we are so bored. This is actually not even funny. See, maybe it's gonna reject off of the 50% of this wick. Pardon me, I'm supposed to say I might call it soon. It's a little bit early, but we've given it so many chances. I even left to see if it would help. I'm 164 centimeters. Maybe a little bit taller. Let's say maybe 168. No. 166, I think. Somewhere there. Between 164 and 168. Yep, bored and annoyed. I have some friends with them. I'm sneaking out and surprise. So many chances, literally. I'm short, 175. And very long hair. No ways. You have long hair? Also, that's not short. 175. The link is still shut in, I believe. Yeah, so I mean, how many feet am I, right? Because we don't do things in feet in there, so. Let's just say 166. Let's split the difference. So I'm 5.4 feet tall. Yeah, 5.4 feet tall. That's not very short, I don't think. Atlanta, give me a link to Discord, can't find it for some reason. Oh, it should be in the description, but if not, I gotcha. I gotcha. You're average. Thank you. I was about to say, I'm a pretty average height. Here you go. Here you go. He's 5 to 10 centimeters shorter than— what? Hammer, are you serious? You have such long hair as a curly? I could have had like 4 trades today, but I'm still not any meaningful profit. Your mess is the same. There we go, exactly, Live's on. Yeah, sure. Anyways, 5 foot, that's probably high to be taken to a concert. You can slam dunk. Man, there's a female you for it, but hammer, my hair used to be long down past my shoulder blade. Yep, dead straight hair. That is that long. Sure. So I'm assuming like here or lower? You say 5 to 10, so it should actually be like closer to down there. Your hair is long. You have long hair. Wow. I need to actually cut my hair. It's looking all sad and meh. Yes, it is purple. I don't know if you guys can even see that it's purple. It's such chill. I know, Live Son. Should we do a vote? Should he be kicked out? I'm starting to think yes. Anyways, thank you. So Lifeson, I'm not allowed long hair, sadly. Well enough to be more Geralt of Rivia cosplay. That is cool though, Lifeson, just saying. That would be a real cool cosplay. Just saying. Oh, this price action giving me a headache. But we're having such a nice conversation. Why did I color my hair? Because I was so bored. Hey Michelle, I have a great London session. I mean, I had a win, so that's cool. I won't say this is a great London session, because, well, it sucks, but yeah. I mean, I look like you're home, but I think without the Henry Cavill body, it doesn't work. You know, I refuse to watch season 4 with, what's his name? Hemsworth Duty? Liam. I refused. I will not watch it if it does not have the OG. Not even share the link. Oh my gosh. Lifestyle, that was freaking hilarious. Go. You have not seen The Witcher, really? Are you into like fantasy and stuff? If not, don't bother. What if Hemsworth kills it? Have you seen it? Who here has watched season 4? I felt the same, but I did like Liam as Geralt. After watching it, I thought he did well with the shoes he had to fill. Okay, I get it. I did hear that. I did hear that he did a good job attempting to fill the shoes, but do you hear the attempting? Like, is it... You know... With Game of Thrones. I was not able to watch all of Game of Thrones. Too many times I was just like, nope, can't do this. I think you will enjoy Witcher then. To be fair, Hannah. But not the new House of Dragons on, I think. Interesting. I think, Hammer, you then would enjoy The Witcher. Personally, I think you would. I swear 2 minutes have gone by since I last said, eh, you could do this. Yeah, let's see what it looks like on the 15-second. Okay. Potentially something, yeah, I don't even know anymore. Bring back up, set a little bit of a buy limit here. See if it retraces down into it on the 15 second. In a postal smoke show, that's funny. Okay. Ah, flip. I post your video. Just gonna thank you. Pulse Bowling better give us a big push. I mean, this was a decent push here. Let's see. Let's see. Like I said, if I'd taken this bloody trade, I would have been super chuffed right now. Oh well. It's okay. It was a good 50% retest of the full. Yeah, of the full. Let's see here if we get anything. Would be the next, which means it's going to go back into the range, which is not great. 960, here we come. I love how you're still so determined about it. Let's see, I'm here for the 960. I'm all here for the 960. It's because you said you're leaving. They're like, okay, boy, she's tired of us. Well, it's officially... Oh, it spiked on the 530 candle. Okay, a little bit of a spike at 530. Let's see. You better give it to me. I'm gonna curse NQ and find it. Talk about her. Yo, how long have you been in that trade now, Louis? A bit of spike in my account. Just about a little nutrition on my stream can run longer than the big boys can wait to move the market.
Emotional damage.
Okay. That's enough. Where did he go? And there we go. Sorry, I was sorting that out. Sideways the whole time since it dropped. It got in at 916. Ooh, nice, Louis. Okay. Oh, thanks, Lifetime. Imagine he does 24-hour stream on trades. Hammer, I've done a 24-hour stream. To be fair, I had some good trades on that day. Some 2 freaking bangers during Asia, I remember that. I was actually doing really well until like the end of the 24 hours, then not so much. Hey, Forest for Life, what's up? Ah. Order filled. I placed this one earlier. Though now it's dropping to the center of the earth, so maybe not. Let's see, go up. No, that's not up, that's down. Need a bit of a bigger rejection there, but I think now it's dropping solidly, hey? Oh, we had a break. I'll just go back from that. All this talk 24-hour stream was too much. No, I think this can hit your TP, don't look at it. Oh, sorry, my bad. My bad. I mean, this is just a demo account, so I'm like, meh, whatever. But let's see if the not looking at it works, right? Shall we see? My 2 win rate on the 15-second, 5-second charts. Well, I've only done the 15 seconds today. So far, it's me. How many did I have? Still figuring out the finer details. Let's go. Just got out the TP. Take profit, Arthur. It's not a song I've ever heard before in my life. I'm just, I don't know, making up stuff. I'm gonna look afterwards, Atlanta. Good grief. Hey, John. Do I trade gold? No, sorry. Just jamming, literally. Just out here living my best life. I'm still trying to not look. Right, Louis? Let's see. There's a song noise I want to hear. Give me my sandwich. Wait a second. Excuse me?
That's what she said. Michael.
For goodness sake, let's have some cake. Atlanta, no. Why no? What do you mean no? No what? Whee! What, saying you wouldn't make me a sandwich? I don't think you want me to make you a sandwich. I'm not really good at cooking and making things to say. No, no cake. Why not? Why don't you want cake? BLT? What does BLT stand for? I know that... Do I know what it stands for? I think I've heard someone tell me what it stands for. I don't know. Hope it's not short for biltong. No. Okay, wait. 50%. Did hit the 50%. Let's save it. Bacon. Bacon, lettuce, tomato. Bacon with lettuce and tomato. I've never had that before. Oh, I have someone to teach my tasty sandwiches. That is hilarious. Discord is blocked. What do you mean Discord's blocked? Big leathery toes. Sorry. What's wrong with you? You're nasty. It's the best, especially with crawfish on it. Crawfish. Oh, what? never had a BLT, no. Bit of mayo on there too. Huh. You're wrong for the crawfish. Too much apples have not had that kind of sandwich, yeah. Not a thing down here in South Africa. What I always have at horse shows is bacon, egg, and cheese. Not really a sandwich, but it's on a bun. Bacon, egg, and cheese. That's good. Break even. They're on the general chat. Let me go check it out later. Make the best with the crawfish left. Bacon, egg, and cheese sounds good. It is. It is. The best thing. I nearly said it's the best thing about going to horse shows, but that's a lie. My local does a bacon, brie, and cranberry. Oh, that sounds good. That does sound good. For some reason when I type in the word Discord, the whole message does not go through. That's weird. Well, now it went through. I think you hit your green line and double down in a second. Let's see. Still just hands off. No, we're just like, Louis, this is a demo, so it makes no difference. Yeah, literally makes no difference. Discord. Who cares? Both good habits. That's valid. My 50 is holding really nice, but we'll like it to break and then take a dump. Well, if you're gonna lose and profit. That's valid. Then don't you mess up your win rates. Wow. What does this look like on... Interesting. Okay. Back here. Oh, it might be going down. That was 6 freaking tabletop flat little candles in a row. That is insane. That is insane. What the heck? I'm now gonna move it a little bit. Like you said, it doesn't. And cool. Yeah, some stats read a break even as a win, which obviously it isn't, but I guess it's not a loss. Ugh. I guess. It's like a nothing, right? That sounds bad, but... Local sandwich shops, I guess, when Englishman says locally, you mean whatever the places that you would buy. Hey, cool. Yes. Okay, so that was a win. That's cool. That's cool. You know what I have to put back up? There we go. And see where they are. Okay, so that one was a win. So that's cool, that's cool. Let's go back here. How's it looking? Mother fluffer. That's irritating. Retrace into the 50%. Beautifully back up. It wasn't A plus though. Well, meh. Not really. That's a pity. Ooh, are we gonna see it hit 960? Is this it? 960! Guess that's how you do it. Never mind, I wanted to forget. Oh, man. That sucks. That sucks. So maybe I should start trusting the bigger ranges today, apparently. One also would have worked well. See, it just tapped into London High. Didn't quite break above it yet, though. Hit 36k this year, and that's nice. Damn. If I win, I win. Who cares? True. Hello. Triple top tomato sandwich. Okay. Not even gonna upset myself with that one, it's Leo. It closes me at 2k, meh, I guess. Come on, you gave us some volume. Still watching. 10 minutes to go. Close though. Okay, so closed your 2k. That's not bad though. 5 minutes till rejection of London High. This could hit midnight at this rate. I figured it would sweep liquidity to 960. Cheers, Abdul. Enjoy. Don't worry. No one here is here to learn. Trust. Everyone here knows what they're doing, except for me. That's right. I'm gonna be 65 at the end of this trade. Yeah, no, guys. I might actually. Let's see. Now we can test it. I'm gonna call it. I'm calling it. Because this is actually too much. Yeah, no, I'm gonna call this because the seriously is just too much. So it's fine. Let's do this thing. We will be back later. New York session. So tomorrow for some of you, later for the rest. I will be back for New York. Let's see what happens. This was just absolutely excruciating to deal with. But we did get a win. So that's cool. Okay, but I love you guys madly. See you then later. Okay. Later, scalers. Bye.